Rust is the enemy of any vehicle owner. It can cause extensive damage to your car, both aesthetically and mechanically, leading to costly repairs and decreased resale value. That's why it's so important to protect your investment with a quality rust inhibitor and rustproofing treatment. Valugard is a leading provider of automotive protection products, and they offer a range of solutions that can help prevent rust from wreaking havoc on your vehicle. Rowe Westbrook is your local Valugard Certified Installer. One of the key benefits of using Valugard rust inhibitors and rustproofing products is their ability to create a protective barrier against moisture, salt, and liquid de-icing brines, which are the main culprits behind rust formation. Valugard products can be applied to your vehicle's undercarriage, wheel wells, and other vulnerable areas where there is often just bare metal. Spray wands were specifically designed for applying the rust inhibitor using existing holes in cavities and channels, thereby eliminating the need to drill any holes, which can increase the likelihood of corrosion and void any corrosion warranties. In addition to preventing rust, Valugard rust inhibitors and rustproofing treatments also offer other benefits. They help to reduce road noise and vibrations, and it remains flexible, pliable and self-healing from abrasion and stones. By creating a barrier between your vehicle and the outside elements, these products can also help keep your vehicle looking cleaner and more well-maintained, which can be a major selling point if you ever decide to resell or trade in your vehicle. Your investment in Valugard rust inhibitors and rustproofing treatments can help save you time and money in the long run. By preventing rust from forming on your vehicle, you can avoid the need for costly repairs and maintain the value of your car over time. So, if you're looking to protect your investment and keep your vehicle looking its best, consider Valugard rust inhibitors and rustproofing products for reliable and effective protection against rust. Valugard rust inhibitors and rustproofing treatments are approved, endorsed or recommended by the following manufacturers: Ford Motor Company, Hyundai Motor Company, Kia, General Motors, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram Trucks, Mazda Motor Corporation, Nissan, Infinity Motor Company, and Heil Trucks. Valugard's line of OEM-approved products are designed and tested specifically against the new liquid nano de-icing brines used throughout the country, as well as rock salt. Calcium chloride eats away at metal, so any vehicles driving on a calcium chloride-treated road will have to get sprayed down and washed, especially the undercarriage. If left untreated, calcium chloride will eat away the vehicle's metal and wiring. Magnesium chloride is corrosive to metal parts, plastic, rubber and chrome. It has been known to create a number of problems on vehicles. The highly corrosive compound can eat through wires, nuts, bolts, and even break shoes and rotors. Sodium chloride, commonly known as rock salt, is highly corrosive. When left unchecked on your car's surface, it can erode the protective layers of the paint, leaving it susceptible to chipping, fading, peeling, and rusting. Beyond the exterior, salt can cause undercarriage damage to your vehicle, eroding vital auto parts like brake lines and exhaust systems. If you would like to have Valugard rust inhibitor and rustproofing treatment applied to your new or pre-owned vehicle, give us a call at 877-791-6049 today. Or visit us at Rowe Westbrook, 91 Main Street, Westbrook, Maine.